Hey there, it's Andy with Reverb, and today I'm really honored to be showing the NiCompressor from Catalinbread. A fellow Portlander, Nicholas Harris, sadly passed away in 2016 on his way to the Oregon coast. Now, he was the founder of Catalinbread and also a man behind many of the famous designs that really struck my ear when I was first starting demos with Pro Guitar Shop. The Super Chile Picoso, the Teaser Stallion, even the Semaphore were some of the ones that really stood out as being a different design from the rest. So obviously a huge loss to the gear community and the ones around him in Portland. But luckily we have this last design from Nick Harris, which was taken from the breadboard. And if you don't know what that is, that's basically what pedal designers use to plug in different components before they even get to the stage of putting it in an enclosure. So luckily Catalinbread took that design on the breadboard and tweaked a few things that they knew that Nicholas would appreciate and put it in its final stages. Now, you probably noticed some different controls on the face that are different from your average compressor, and that's EQ with bass and treble, a gain, which is really cool because it doesn't affect the amount of compression. You could really crank it up, and it's not going to change the threshold or the attack of the compression, just add more gain and help it really push your amp into overdrive. Let's just hone in on the compression knob for now and see how when you turn it up, it just balances the soft and loud signals of your guitar. So as you could tell with that higher compression setting, it's not one of those pedals that really just sucks the life out of your guitar. You could actually still hit it hard and then hear that sustain slowly come in, which is the release time of the compressor. Let's really embellish this with some extra gain and a little bit of bass boost. So now you know it's possible to leave the compression up and just crank the gain and get a really solid sound that really emphasizes soft and hard playing. Let's try something different and roll off the low end for these humbuckers and run it into an overdrive. In this case, it's Catalinbread's dirty little secret. Well, there you go, the NiCompressor from Catalinbread. Certainly glad it came to fruition. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Nicholas Harris.